Hi Fox, I'm back with a new problem. This looks simple to you, but trust me, you may not be able to solve this. So watch till the end. And if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe our channel for more amazing content. So let's do it. So x cube plus 4x equal to 8, right? That is given. We need to find out the value of x raised to the power 7 plus 6x square plus 2, right? So in our target expression, the maximum power of x, that is 7, and here it is 3. So we can raise both sides to the power 2, right? So x cube plus 4x raised to the power 2 equal to 8 square, that is 64, right? So we are going to split it as per the formula of a plus b whole square. So that is x cube whole square plus 2, that is x cube into b, that is 4x, plus 4x, that is b whole square equal to 64, right? So it is x raised to the power 6 plus this is 8 x raised to the power 4 plus this is 16 x square equal to 64, right? So now we got the maximum power of x, that is 6, but we need 7, right? So for that we can multiply both sides by x. Are you going to do it? Well, let's do it and see what happens next. So x raised to the power 6 plus 8x raised to the power 4 plus 16 x square equal to 64, right? So we are going to multiply both sides by x. So it is x raised to the power 7 plus 8 x raised to the power 5 plus 16 x cube equal to 64x, right? But in our expression there is nothing like x raised to the power 5. So we have to manage it here. So x raised to the power 7 plus what we can do, we can take 8 x square common out, okay, because the left will be x cube plus 2x, and we can use this x cube from our given condition, right? So equal to 64x. So x raised to the power 7 plus 8x square into x cube plus 2x. So our given condition was x cube plus 4x equal to 8, right? So x cube plus 4x, we can write it as 2x plus 2x, okay, equal to 8. So x cube plus 2x equal to 8 minus 2x. So x cube plus 2x, we can replace it by 8 minus 2x equal to 64x, right? Equal to x raised to the power 7 plus 64 x square minus 8 into 2, that is 16 x cube equal to 64x. So x raised to the power 7 plus 64 x square minus, so we got x raised to the power 7 plus 64 x square, that was in our target expression, right? So we need to remove this x cube, and we know that x cube plus 4x equal to 8. So x cube, that is 8 minus 4x, okay, equal to 64x. So next line is x raised to the power 7 plus 64x square minus 16 into 8. So 16, that is 2 raised to the power 4, and 8, that is 2 cube. So it is 2 raised to the power 7, and it is 128. 128 plus 4 into 16, that is 64, x equal to 64x. So now we can cancel 64x from both left and right side. So 64x cancel. So we are left out with x raised to the power 7 plus 64x square minus 128 equal to 0. So x raised to the power 7 plus 64x square equal to 128, right? And our target expression was x raised to the power 7 plus 64x square plus 2. So we need to add 2 both sides, right? So x raised to the power 7 plus 64 x square plus 2 equal to 128 plus 2. So that is 130. So this is our answer. Guys, thank you so much for giving me some of your valuable time. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.